Meaning of double vision.
Double vision.
Double vision.
Double vision.
Double vision. Double vision refers to a medical condition in which a person perceives two images of a single object. This happens when the eyes fail to align properly, resulting in the formation of two different images that are not fused together. The most common causes of double vision include muscle weakness, nerve damage, eye injuries, and certain neurological conditions. The symptoms of double vision include seeing two images side by side, overlapping, or offset from each other. This can cause headaches, dizziness, and difficulty in reading or driving. Treatment for double vision depends on the underlying cause and may involve eye exercises, surgery, or medication.